Welcome back to Bilal the Dev. Today we are going to see how we use CSS in our project. Let's assume we have this HTML structure. In this structure, we have a heading tag and a paragraph tag. Now, if we want to style this, we have three options which we also discussed in the previous video. Inline styling, external file styling, and internal tag styling. If you want to watch the previous introduction video, click on your top right. So, first, we look at how we style the heading tag with inline styling. In the tags, we have the property name style. In this style property, we must provide the style we want. Here I am going to provide two pairs of CSS properties: color and font size. Now, we look at how we style the paragraph tag with internal tag styling. In the head tag, we are going to use a style tag in which we target a paragraph tag to provide styling. Here I am going to provide two of the same CSS properties pairs which we provided earlier for inline styling. Last, we look at how we style one of the tags with external file styling. But we first remove our inline and internal tag stylings. Then we must create a new file in our project folder with the extension of .css. After this, we also link that file to our HTML file. Now provide the same stylings in the external file by targeting any element. And that's it. Congratulations, you successfully know the three ways of styling HTML tags. Thank you for this video. I hope you like it. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more learning videos.